My hair is a mess.
Fire when the strobe hits. I feel the heat. Fire when the strobe hits you.
That's it, Brent?
Bet you're looking for something.
What's up, you guys? It's Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today is Gymas Day 9 and today I have a freaking package with me. I'm gonna open up that package, show you the brand, and tumble in it. So just as a disclaimer, I am not sponsored, but I do promote this brand on my Instagram at EmmaXTumble, so go follow me on there. And this is a good cause that I'm promoting, and I like their clothes, so just so you guys know. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I will tell you guys what brand this is when I open it up, so let's get to that. So from this brand, I ordered 3 things. I'm so excited, I've been waiting for so long. I ordered this from Black Friday, and the reason that it took so long to get here is because there were just so many orders from this brand. This is the first clothing, so the brand is SandCloud, if you can see that. So this first thing is a shirt in a lilac color. So SandCloud is a brand that whatever you order for them, 10% of your profits go to saving marine life. So I really like them because they're helping save animals, and they do like ocean cleanups, and they're trying to get rid of ocean pollution. And yeah, overall they're just a really good brand. So I got this lilac hoodie with the SandCloud logo on the front. It is a cropped hoodie, so I'm not going to be wearing this today because it is like 30 degrees right now and I'm really cold. So let's not try this. Okay, so that is the first thing that I got. The second thing I got is these really cute retro rainbow socks. They're these really cute, just plain white socks with a pop of rainbow in it, and it has their logo on the front. Here's a close-up. Definitely gonna wear these. And the third thing I got was another shirt. Also, they package these up really cute, like wow. This is the Seafoam Penguin shirt. Let me take this out. So here's a close-up of what the shirt looks like. It just is kind of a plain teal slash aqua turquoise kind of color, and it has a little penguin on the side, so definitely gonna wear this. Alrighty guys, so this is it of what I got from my package, and now I'm gonna do a cool transition of a round-off by Handspring to a change of the SandCloud clothes. Did that even make sense? I'm gonna transition into the clothes, so hopefully this works. I really hope that works. So here I am wearing the Seafoam Penguin shirt, don't remember what it's called. And then here I am wearing the retro rainbow socks with the logo on the side. And now we're gonna go do some gymnastics. out of breath, and this happens every time. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and next to it, turn on the post notification bell so you guys are notified when I upload. Next, just scroll down a little bit further, just a little, and comment feature video do you guys want me to do so I can film it, edit it, and upload it for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. That was bad.
I feel the heat. Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, Brent?
Bet you're looking for something. Staring up for Christ.
Okay guys, like the neighbors' dogs are out right now, and I swear every time they come out it smells like a farm just full of feces.